Hello and welcome everyone to Silver Asset of the Day for the 20th of August 2021, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So as we get towards the end of the week here, what do you need to be aware of? Well, in the last week, we have seen hedge funds and money managers, they've reduced their overall net long position on silver by 10%. That's very much been reflected by the charts this week, where we have seen silver under pressure and still underperforming relative to gold. In fact, the gold to silver ratio has broken out again today, up 1%, and it's currently trading at 9-month highs. This is similar with the gold to platinum ratio, which is up 2% today, trading back at 7-month highs, and also the gold to copper ratio, which is actually trading all the way back at 9-month highs. So essentially gold continues to outperform the other metals. We've also got the dollar index at the moment trading back at 9-month highs. Although gold has been relatively unmoved, even with a strong dollar here. Goes back to our point last week. We built into 4 new positions on gold last week, which are currently up just under 2,000 points in total. So of course, for every 1 lot contract that you'd be trading, that's $20,000 of profit. For every 10 lot contract that you'd be trading, that's $200,000 of profit. So we continue to hold on to our gold core position here. In fact, we favor gold to outperform silver here in the short term. Going back to our point on gold, which we recorded earlier in the week for you, essentially our expectation was this week that gold would remain range bound, that we would see 1770 to 1800 as the range. And essentially, after the minutes of the FOMC statement on Wednesday, gold did pull back down towards the 1770s, and it subsequently found resistance again just under 1800. So that's played out really nicely this week for gold to continue to consolidate, but overall, so far, holding on to the gains from last week. And then as we go into next week, the shift in focus is going to be onto the Jackson Hole Symposium and comments from Jerome Powell. That will be watched very closely for big opportunities which get presented during the volatility of the Jackson Hole Symposium. That's next Thursday and Friday. This week again has been a classic example of commodities. They don't move up in a straight line, they will zigzag. Obviously gold last week, where it broke down to $1,674 per ounce. Within a matter of 1 week, it's already up $100 or 1,000 points to the upside. As we mentioned to you last week, we built into 4 new positions on gold. I hope that many of you have been able to capitalize. Then with respect to silver, so silver is currently trading around $23 per ounce. I like silver sub $23 per ounce, down towards 22. That's the level I would keep an eye on at the moment. In the short term, I do expect gold to continue to outperform silver. The gold-silver ratio is still trading around 9-month highs right now, and the dollar is also trading towards 9-month highs as well, so it's putting silver under some pressure at the moment. But again, I do like silver sub $23 down to $22 per ounce, especially for the cycles at the end of August, then as we move into the first week of September. And of course, this comes back down to having a research-driven approach to the market, understand data, statistics, facts in the market, utilize the intermarket correlations, the ratios in the market, understand macroeconomics, fundamentals, marry that up with the geopolitical news, the major news items that will be the biggest catalyst for large moves in the commodity markets, and of course understand key areas of liquidity and what the hedge funds, money managers, banks and institutions are doing, alongside understanding the daily, the weekly, the quarterly cycles in the markets and key areas of liquidity. That will help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.